welcome back to another freaking YouTube. Welcome back to another video, y'all. Period. But I haven't seen y'all in the motherfucking meeting. What's been going on? How y'all been doing? What's tea? What's tea? But anyways, as some of y'all already know, and if you don't, I'll let y'all know right now, my birthday is in 5 more days. Yeah. But yes, y'all, my birthday is Sunday, May the 5th on Cinco de Mayo. You already know I'm half black skin, half Mexican. Yeah. I got a photo shoot tomorrow, and I ordered the accessories for the photo shoot, but I was gonna do it speed shipping, but when I was ordering it, it said it would have been here between the 24th and the 25th, and I ordered stuff out Shein, y'all. So yeah, so it's supposed to be here between the 24th and the 25th. So on April the 20th, it was saying it was in Chicago, Illinois. Mind y'all, stay in South Carolina. So after the 20th, on the 24th, like, it hasn't give me no update since then. I put a little screenshot right there so y'all can see, but yeah, so it was just saying like it was en route to the next transit faculty, whatever, and it's still not giving me a clear update, and it was saying it was going to arrive late. So I kept pressing urgent on like all like the packages, because I need my shit today. Like I really needed it on the 24th or the 25th. That's why I scheduled my photo shoot like that. But I'm not gonna let Shein upset me. But besides the point, that was a little backstory on it. But speaking of all that, that's why after I get my hair done today, I ordered some fucking Chinese dragon earrings from fucking Shein. So now I gotta go to Clear's, find me. I love Clear's earrings. Like that's where I got all my earrings from, because they always got like a good selection. So I had to go to Clear's and find me some earrings, and then I gotta find me a Chinese fan, because I also ordered a Chinese fan off what you call it, off Shein. So yeah, so now I gotta go try to find a Chinese fan. I gotta find me some earrings. Like, it's giving headache already, and the only thing that's really blowing me is just the finding the Chinese fan part. Because not to mention, I already had to go to the hair store to go get the dang on Chinese chopsticks. Like y'all really just ruined. Y'all tried to ruin my birthday shoot, but it's okay. It's okay, because now I gotta just make slight adjustments. But when I wasn't trying to, I was trying to have all this planned out. Even when I planned something, it's still not going right for my birthday. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Y'all, so I had to stop and get gas. And I did that to kind of waste time, because I low-key had got over here early. But I'm literally like 5 minutes away from where she stay at. So, period, before. Wait till the after. Hold on. After, baby, looking like a whole motherfucking snack. Okay, y'all, so my bad. I should have recorded when I was in Walmart, y'all, but I was on a little time frame because I'm trying to, I'm also like less than 5 minutes from home, but I plan on going into work tonight, period. Still gotta meet that morning, period. But like I said, I plan on going to work, so I'm about to go straight home, and then I'm about to put on my work clothes or whatever like that. But earlier when I was in Walmart and stuff running around, I could have been there recording and vlogging, and I stopped by and I picked me up something. How about you? Bad bitch, 50th float. How about you? It's like, nah, for real though. But yes, I had to give me something to eat, and I just was kind of like on a time frame, so like I ain't had time to record because I was already in there like ready to pick up stuff. I don't know if it's just me, but every time I go to Walmart for one thing, I just end up picking up so much shit, and I started to spend so much money that I gotta be like, put it the fuck now.
Like the Barbie, I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It's girls, and we can play tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, filling out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a scene now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I hit the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him ripped. You ain't know the Rick, yeah, Barbie bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Birthday Drive. I'm in New York, Medicine Hat. I'm in LA, Birthday Drive. I'm in New York, Medicine Hat. I'm in LA, Birthday Drive. I'm in New York, Medicine Hat. I'm in LA, Birthday Drive. I'm in New York, Medicine Hat. I'm in LA, Birthday Drive. I'm in New York, Medicine Hat.
My photographer texted me and asked me, can you push it back to 11 because he was running late. So I was like, okay, cool, that's fine. Plus my homegirl wasn't answering the phone anyway, so I'm like, okay, that's fine, because they give my homegirl time to get up. But she already texted me. I'm currently on the way to get her. I actually stopped and got breakfast, some Burger King, a nice French toast stick piece meal, and I also got my iced coffee. And if you drink iced coffee from Burger King, get you a French vanilla and mocha. Hold on. Hey y'all, my bad. So get y'all a French vanilla and mocha iced coffee mixed together. It's gonna bust every time, period. But yes, like I said, I'm on the way to get her, and we probably just gonna chill out and waste time because like where I gotta take my pictures at is like literally 5 minutes from where she stay at. So period. Yeah, but yeah, I'll see y'all once we get to the place.
Kicking older, forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bro, this nigga's like Endo. I spent time on the roots on the level and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look the dope. Barely fit when I'm play with a beard. Just follow behind in the years. I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom.
Yes, nice.
I love this one. How you run in the bins and a tumble truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I gon' pipe her up. Ain't my lips on my lips, I gon' wipe her up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing something. I'm a type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I brought everybody. Plus and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm broke to see it drop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't rap on my problems, we second up wallow and swallow and try get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, still like the new BM up. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right and left. And you drink up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pockets, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Shut up, man. Y'all, this is after the photo shoot. We had to get us a little drinky drink.
We got us some boogie
Yeah.
with a cherry. I feel like I'm so far. I'm just oh shit. Y'all, please, tomorrow. Why did
You pushing me.
Y'all, we didn't even start drinking. This is already allergy.
Mario pushed me.
I just say that they got so much ice in it because I be liking to get straight to the point. I'm gonna beat her down this shit.
Alright, come on.
I'm ready now. You go down the whole thing. Y'all think this bitch acting like this now? Just wait. Just fucking
Alright,
wait.
come on. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm talking about one. You tell her go. Alright. Go on one.
On one? Oh, shit. She trying to get straight to the point, y'all. Damn.
Alright.
2?
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I got pretty clean.
Y'all hear it? Don't play with us. Don't play with us.
I need my pineapple.
Catch us on my birthday on Cinco de Mayo, bitch. This just half of it.
This just half. It's not even a part.
I don't need to eat cherries for real, but it's good.
I don't eat cherries at all.
Here we go. The photo shoot was a success. But my birthday is Sunday, today is Tuesday. He said he was definitely having back to me by my birthday, so period. Y'all will see him then. But y'all will probably see this vlog on my birthday, period. But like I was saying, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the shoot. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. And I will definitely see y'all again on my birthday, period. But I'm about to go into work right now. It's like 2:30, but I still gotta make these shit coins for my birthday, period. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead into work, and that's pretty much the end of this vlog, period. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on my birthday.